Did we just buy one of those?
Yep.
Oh, we should have bought more.
Wow, those are like one of my favorites.
I know.
Hello.
Well, we bought some smaller ones last year. This is a big one. Should have got a couple.
How many shots is this supposed to be?
I don't remember.
It's like 100?
Something like 100.
100? Make fun of the way I talk.
It's still not as bad as mine. My accent.
Yeah.
Holy moly,
That's
that
one of
was
my favorite things
that
right
was
there.
loud.
How many shots was that? 100?
I think so.
Oh, we should have got more of those.
We should have. Darn it.
See all the stuff that we got over there in the box?
Yeah.
We
Saw
got
that.
quite a table over there.
That's it. That's all we have.
Aw, darn it.
What way till tonight?
That's all the day ones.
Hey, what about those little tiny balls? Did you shoot those off already?
Yeah.
Those little bitty tiny balls?
Yep.
What did they do?
Nothing. Just kind of.
You put them in the tube?
Yeah, that one.
I don't think you're supposed to put them in the tube.
No, like I tested that one like on the street.
You shot them all already?
Yeah.
Really?
Not like the not the mortars.
It's like little tiny balls about that big.
Yeah, we were shot them all.
There's 4 bags of them. You
Yeah.
shot them all? Okay.
We snooze, we lose, I guess.
Here's the fountains we got.
Oh, okay.
Those goodies.
Oh yeah, those
Oh,
look
yeah.
good.
I'm sure they'll be fine.
Oh! Like that one went up inside of it.
There's nothing more left over there for daytime? Nope. Sorry. That tree sure has grown this year.
Hey, Brandon, what was put on this table over here?
I thought it so died because it had backburns by the millions on it.
Really?
So I got up there and pulled it all off. And I figured it surely died, but it came back. Yeah, it's probably grown a couple feet. It walked away once.
Yeah.
What'd you do, Bran?
There's like a mark, like a
Brandon.
A what?
burr mark on the table. Cause like I sit down a punk and went to go eat.
Oh, Bran. Oops.
Yeah.